How to find suppliers for TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you guys different platforms or different ways to find different suppliers for your TikTok Shop to fill it up with amazing and great products. Now, as you know, TikTok Shop has been increasingly popular right now, and it's a great place to start selling different types of product and take advantage of different business models. And one of the business models that I'm going to be suggesting for you guys is actually drop shipping. Now, we have different platforms available over here, and all of these platforms are really great for finding different products for you to sell on your TikTok Shop. Now, there isn't any model or there isn't an easier way for you to be able to find a supplier and connect it with your TikTok Shop other than drop shipping. Because with drop shipping, you will be able to establish a connection between the two platforms immediately, and you can easily import and export different products into your TikTok Shop. One of the great examples over here is CJ Dropshipping. As you can see, it will work like a normal e-commerce where you could find different products and even buy different products for yourself. But they have another purpose, as you can see on their name CJ Dropshipping. So basically, you will be able to find different types of product that you find good or you find interesting in CJ Dropshipping, and you will be able to sell it onto your TikTok Shop. Now, first, before we look into the different products, how do you connect it with your TikTok Shop and how do we make it work? How does what I'm saying work with CJ Dropshipping? So first things first, create your account in CJ Dropshipping and make sure that you have logged in. After that, you will see this pulsating button called My CJ. Select that, and you will be redirected to another page where you can see basically the connection or your account information. Now, focusing over here on the left side, let's put away the pop-ups for now. Simply scroll down to the bottom, click on Store Authorization, and as you can see, TikTok Shop is available for us to connect over here. So now all you need to do is to connect your TikTok Shop by logging into CJ Dropshipping with your TikTok Shop, and through that you will be able to establish a connection between the two of them. Now, this platform is really great because there's a lot of discounts, especially for bulk orders, which is usually what people do when they're selling on some different shops. So, how does it work after we connected it? For example, we could check out a product over here, maybe this one. I could select this. As you can see, there will be an option over here, connect or list. We could either list it, which will basically allow us to list it into our TikTok Shop if ever we have connected it. Because if you check out the description, let me exit this for now. If you check out the description, under list, as you can see, add the products to your store. And if you select that, you will see this pop-up. And if you have connected your TikTok Shop, it should appear over here under stores as well as an option. And then you can simply put in the information such as your product type, collection, vendors, and variants over here as well, which is really great. Now, to be able to find great products and great source of products in CJ Dropshipping is to keep an eye on the top products or the trending products available right now. You can also check out different events that are actually happening live. So you could take advantage of this gallery over here, because usually the products that are being highlighted are these products over here. So you can check out this PowerPoint type of item over here. Then you can check out the different products. There's also trending products over here where you can check out the products that are actually being trending right now and a lot of people are actually buying. For example, this one over here. This is something I personally saw a lot in TikTok as well. So that's an item that's going to be great to start selling on your TikTok Shop as well. Now, one other platform that we have over here is called Printify. Now, Printify is a little bit different from CJ Dropshipping, although you will be able to connect them together as well. In Printify, what you're going to do is basically you will be able, or you have an option to choose from hundreds of different types of product. Under product catalog, as you can see, there's a lot of different types of product over here. And what this allows you to do is you will be able to start selling different type of product absolutely with a lot of option and you are able to customize them however you want as well. For example, over here, we have a t-shirt. I will be able to customize the design of this t-shirt, and it will also serve as a drop shipping because they will be the one who will be sending to your customers as well. As you can notice over here, there's a lot of different options. Let's say I want to check out some jewelry, something like that. You can see there will be a lot of options available for you to play with over here. So this is also a great platform to get some different suppliers. And now we also have another great platform over here. Now this one, there is no direct connection between TikTok Shop, but this will allow you to be able to find really great products as well. It has a lot of cheap items, but also great items as well. So for example, what you could do with Alibaba.com, since there is no connection between TikTok Shop that we could set up right now, what you could do is you could open a specific item for now that you find interesting. So let's say I find this product interesting over here. So let us view this product. Open a photo, and now what we could do is actually we could save the photo. You could save it as a web page if you want. Then go to CJ Dropshipping, because in CJ Dropshipping they have the option drag or upload image to search over here. So after this downloaded, we could actually search the specific item. Oh, it's actually downloading the entire thing, but anyway, it should not do that. But let's actually try screenshotting it instead. Just like that. Go over here. There we go. You can take advantage of this feature of CJ Dropshipping to be able to find similar products that you have found in Alibaba over here, because this also looks really great as well. It's a very good idea product. But since there's no connection between Alibaba, we could do it with CJ Dropshipping instead, and you will be able to find similar items over here. As you can see, it's not exactly the same, but there will be some similarities. At least you will be able to find some items that might be similar as well. So you can take advantage of that feature. So that's basically it, guys. Those are two great platforms that you could actually use to find suppliers for your TikTok shop, especially if you have a specific niche that you are aiming for or you are maintaining. And there's a lot of different types of niches available in CJ Dropshipping, so you take your time researching and finding the different types of product that you feel like or that you think would be really great for your TikTok shop. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe, watching our other videos as well, and start learning from the other videos that we offer in our channel. If you are interested, please visit our channel and find other videos similar to what you have watched today. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.